Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So it was kind of a sideways day today. If you were available very early in the London session, there was actually a very nice 1, 2, 3 ABC impulsive engulfing move to the downside, which would have been exactly the type of pattern that I am looking for on a daily basis. So yeah, besides that, it did make a pretty good little push down. We do have a little bit of a new structure level now because we did make a lower low. So now we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. I am definitely watching fib levels very closely for like 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 up to a fib level and an impulsive down. Otherwise, if it does break this structure right here at a big engulfing move and it holds above it, then that would turn me back into a buyer, and that would tell me that the wave A or the wave 1 on the much higher time frames is complete. So we do have a couple things on the news calendar, but not really much for tomorrow. We have Aussie meeting minutes this evening, if that's a convenient time zone for you. Besides that, there really is nothing on the news calendar for tomorrow. Wednesday is kind of the big next move, which would be the Kiwi news and the FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday. So in a ways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.